Welcome to the Event Planning Wizard, a guided system that transforms complex corporate events into structured, governed, and repeatable operations. Let's walk through each step of the wizard and see how your event comes together. Step 1 defines the event itself, its name, type, audience, format, and strategic intent. This classification drives recommendations across budgeting, venues, vendors, and reporting. Next, governance and authority are established. You assign executive sponsors, event owners, functional leads, and approval thresholds, ensuring accountability from day one. Step 3 defines what success looks like before spending begins. Objectives and KPIs are locked in, enabling post-event ROI and executive reporting. Here, you set financial guardrails, budgets, funding sources, contingency reserves, and spend alerts, protect margins, and build finance confidence. Step 5 expands revenue opportunities, VIP access, digital content, post-event offerings, and sponsor ROI tracking turn events into revenue engines. Next, the timeline and critical path are defined. Key dates, approvals, and milestones are set early, preventing rush decisions and premium pricing. Step 7 optimizes logistics, locations, travel patterns, accessibility, primary and backup venues, and insurance are all validated upfront. This step designs the actual event experience. Sessions, agenda, speakers, rehearsals, and technology needs are finalized to prevent day of issues. Step 9 protects intellectual property. Recording permissions, content ownership, and distribution rights are confirmed, unlocking future value. Next, systems are connected, registration, payments, CRM, communications, data access, and audit logs ensure secure, enterprise-grade operations. Vendors are governed like contracts, not favors. Procurement rules, SLA letters, insurance, and escalation paths ensure performance and accountability. Marketing and communications drive attendance. Campaigns, promotions, and tracking ensure the right audience shows up. This step protects the organization. Compliance, insurance, data privacy, and contingency planning prepare for disruptions before they happen. Step 14 prepares for execution. Staffing, schedules, training, and day of command ensure smooth operations when it matters most. Finally, you enhance if needed. Save the event as a reusable template, and launch. The wizard instantly becomes a live event dashboard, which tracks budgets, milestones, vendors, compliance, and performance in real time. Everything is visible, everything is controlled. The event planning wizard replaces guesswork with structure. It reduces risk, improves confidence, and turns every event into a scalable asset. The wizard is the system, the dashboard is the outcome.